This was a grandiose engineering feat by King Offa and his Mercian kingdom, but it was also a monument that carefully placed itself to dominate the landscape, and therefore it didn't just randomly carve through the topography. It utilised the topography to dominate the landscape to the west in a very precise way. And here, as we look northwards over the Clun Valley, we can see how the Dyke did that as it drops down from the ridge into the valley and utilises the west facing, the east side of this coombe. So you can see the land falling off on either side towards this coombe, and the Dyke is running along that west facing slope, and therefore it makes it even more imposing, even more dramatic for anyone approaching it, and it makes it even easier for anyone defending it to observe people moving through the landscape. So in times of peace, this monument would have controlled trade and tribute through the environment, and in times of war it would have allowed people to stop and block any advancing enemies.